Skittles.
So he's going with you, and then he's coming back, right?
Yep.
And he's going to be there by himself. Then.
Skittles, Skittles.
And he don't care. He's going, yay.
Look. You want a Skittle?
Skittles.
Don't you be a fluffy. Come on.
Don't you be a
You
fluffy.
better close that door.
He ain't gonna fly away.
Yeah,
Come
he
on,
will.
Skittles.
He'll fly
No,
away.
actually he won't. Ow, you little bitch.
That's okay. Leave him in there.
Yeah, leave him in there.
Come here.
Just leave him. I'll hold him
I got
another
him.
day when you're alone.
Hey,
Skittles.
Skittles, don't you be
He
pulling that
wants to
shit.
be a nasty little booger today.
Come on. Up.
Hey, dogs. Come on, doggies.
Skittles.
Oh, they're eating something.
Hey, Skittles.
You can't be... Oh, they're eating your dog food out there. That's what they're doing.
Here. Let go, goddammit.
Just put them away.
Here. Up.
No, you don't like me? Oh, well, what can I
He
say?
didn't like me either.
Hey.
Ah, they were talking. Skittles talkie.
No, he's whining. Move your foot, goddammit.
Bye-bye, Skittles. Bye-bye, Skittles. Bye-bye, Skittles. Skittles.
Yeah, I got orders.
Skittles. Ah, your little fart face.
And you got dog
Fart
food.
face. Skittles.
Okay,
Skittles.
one dog.
Wee.
They're eating the food out here. Come on.
Bye-bye, Skittles. Bye-bye, Skittles.
You can't put the food
Bye-bye.
in.